Are you a perfectionist? Do you like computers? How about working in a fast-paced environment with sophisticated equipment? If so, then a career in machining technology and metals manufacturing might be for you. AB Tech's machining technology curriculum is designed to develop 21st century skills in the theory and use of hand tools, power machinery, computerized equipment, and precision inspection instruments. High school students can take courses in machining and metals fabrication at area institutions such as Madison and Asheville high schools. Some coursework articulates to local community colleges, and students can dual-enroll into machining and CNC classes at AB Tech. How do students benefit from taking metals classes? AB Tech offers certificates, a college diploma, and a 2-year applied science degree in machining technology. Students work with mills, lathes, grinders, CNC machines, and 3D solid modeling. Students who graduate with an AB Tech credential can start out making $14 per hour, and the salaries go up from there. There are more than 30 tool shops in western North Carolina. So if you like taking on new projects every day and never doing the same thing twice, then machining technology might be the career for you. Speak to your high school guidance counselor if you are interested in taking machining technology or metals classes.